Pankadajan's Kitchen, and today's episode for how to cure homesickness by cooking. I don't know what episode it is already, but I'm cooking for you beef caldereta, my very own recipe. I hope you enjoy it. So I have here my cut veggies. I have 1 potato, 1 tomato, a carrot, and half an onion, and green peas, and a cooked saba banana. And on that container are some of my pineapple. I've already sliced up my beef into chunks. So if you notice, everything is in chunks. And we just dump everything in the cook pot, except for the green peas and the banana. And I'm gonna add in my garlic, minced garlic. The green peas and banana would be added at the end of the cooking cycle, like 5 to 10 minutes before serving, because basically these are cooked already and just refrozen. We just need them to add more flavor to our stewed beef. This is gonna be slow cook. So if you have a slow cooker, you can also do this on your slow cooker. I'm using the stovetop right now. I'm gonna add in my tomato sauce just to cover the whole veggie and meat mix and let it boil for 2 hours. I've added the spices, and if you notice, I'm fond of dumping everything. I'm the lazy cook. I just want everything to cook on its own. So that's my tomato soup. Add more water to cover everything in your pot. Now it's fully covered. And this is gonna be slow cook. Boil for about 2 hours. And then we add in the peas and the bananas just before serving. Stir the pot every now and then so that nothing sticks at the bottom of your pot. This is my beef caldereta. The meat is so tender. And again, I'm gonna invite you for dinner. Manihapon ta. Hi! Hi, Pankadajan's Kitchen, and now I'm gonna share to you